Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at euro currency once again. So yesterday was relatively quiet session. It's because half of the market have been closed due to the Thanksgiving celebrating. So but still on the euro currency you can see minor upward action still happens, and it's going on. And as a result, take a look, we finally have got the Polish grabber on the daily euro as well. So this grabber suggests taking out of this top. So currently we have the same idea as we have discussed a few days ago on the dollar index. Now a bit later, but still we've got the same pattern on the euro currency. By the way, yesterday on the dollar index, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we have another second grabber that also stands in favor of taking out of this top. So on the dollar index will be taken out of the bottom. Now let's create some not bad background on a daily chart, which is actually where needed to get more confidence with the possible upward action here. On the euro currency, the only one problem you see that actually it stands at overbought. So the driving factor that could push euro for this top should be more or less strong. It's just to let market to overcome the resistance of the daily overbought area, weekly overbought area. And I really hope that market will be able to touch at least the 105.78 area. That's it's necessary for Joe Napoli bread and butter trade on monthly chart, which is actually important. On the lower time frame, we do not have a big changes since yesterday, so here is also might be minor grabber could be formed. So this candle is not closed yet. This is for time frame chart, but as you can see, based on the MACD indicator, it's potentially also we could get the minor grabber as well. So speaking on yesterday's setup for position taken, take a look on the hourly chart. Market indeed has tested the predefined level that we said. It's 103.90, shows the minor pullback. So currently you actually could move stops to the break even and just see what will happen if we still will get, especially because today's Friday, guys. So if we will get some kind of the deeper ABCD pullback to the confluence, which is actually might be really great, because take a look. Here we have the strong level and previous support, so retesting this might be interesting performance that also provide nice area for position taking. Besides, in this case we'll get regardless typical to buy pattern this point. Then we just consider another attempt, another chance for taking the long position. If no pullback will happen, market will just gradually start moving up. Well, that's okay. You'll just will have the stop at the break even and we'll keep going with the market. That's the only thing that we could say concerning the euro currency, because as you can see, changes are really minimal compared to yesterday's session. So today, guys, lots of talkings in our forum about Great British Pound, because actually it has the same pattern as euro currency. So today probably we will not speak about the gold in the second video, because there we will have no big changes. But briefly take a look what's going on in cable, because if actually they are very similar to euro, but still some differences exist. So that's what we have actually on the gold market. The one thing that I would like to say is that although performance looks really weak, but don't forget that yes, the market mostly has been closed. So COMEX exchange actually has not worked yesterday. And do not treat the recent performance as correct performance on retail brokers charts if you will see some changes. Second moment, since we have uncompleted patterns in favor of the weaker United States dollar, I mean the grabber, until they will work out, I wouldn't consider taking the short position on the gold market by far. So I prefer to see when the patterns will be completed to eliminate this risk factor. And then if you would like to go short on the gold, well, and we will have some corresponding background, we could consider it. But currently moving to take position against the grabber on the dollar index, especially on the daily chart, personally, well, I think that it's not worth it. So it's better just to wait a couple of sessions and then to consider the setup that might be formed on the gold market.